In this video, we are going to learn how to make a sprite jump, and then we'll use this concept to make a game in which a chick will jump over the egg, and if it touches the egg, the game will be over. Let's create a new Scratch project. I will replace the cat with a chick, and I will also take an egg. You can take a farm background as well. Now we have to position the egg on the bottom right corner and the chick on the bottom left corner. So take when flag clicked and use go to XY. Go to XY will help us to take the chick and egg to the starting points. So I will just round off these values for chick also. Now if I click the flag, they will be at their starting points. Even if I take them to some random positions and when I click the flag, they will go back to their starting positions. Now let's understand how a sprite will jump. To make a sprite jump, we have to make the sprite go up and then come down. So to make the sprite go up, we'll change the Y position, and for that we'll change the Y position by positive points. So when the space key is pressed, I will change Y by 10 points, and to make it come down, I will change Y by minus 10. Instead of 10, let me take 100 points, minus 100. Let's see if it jumps. So the chick is not jumping here because it's happening so fast that we can't see it jumping. Plus 100 and minus 100 cancel each other. So I will put a small weight in middle. Let's see if it works. It is jumping, but this jump is not very smooth. So it goes up, stays in the air, and then comes down. So let's try to fix this. Instead of change Y by 100, I will change Y by 10 and then put it in the repeat 10 loop, because 10 times 10 is 100, so it will be the same thing. I can duplicate this and insert change Y by 10 again. I will make it minus 10. So let's see how it goes. Now let me click the flag so that it comes back to the original point. Yes, so it is jumping. It's a smooth jump. You can also add a start sound chirp. Now the chick is jumping, but we want it to hop so that it goes forward also. To make that happen, I will put move 2 steps when it goes up and when it comes down. Let's see the effect now. Yes, so the chick is hopping, moving forward as well. When I click the flag, it goes back to the original point. Now I want egg to move from right to left. To make that happen, we'll use glide here. We want the egg to glide to the left position, bottom left. So I'll put minus 200. Let's see what happens. See. So now I will take a forever loop and I'll put this code here. So first the egg will go to the bottom right corner using go to XY, and then it will glide to the bottom left corner using the glide block. Let's see what happens now. The egg is too fast, so we'll change it to 2 seconds so that it takes more time to move from the right to left corner. Now let's see with the jump. So the chick is jumping over the egg. Now to make it more interesting, we'll put a condition: if chick while jumping over the egg touches the egg also, they'll make the game over. To do that, we'll go to the chick code, we'll take an event when flag clicked, and we'll put a if condition. So if the chick touches the egg, now how to find whether it is touching the egg? We'll go to the sensing blocks, we'll use this block called touching mouse pointer and change it to touching egg. So if touching egg, we will do stop all so that the game stops. Let's see if it works. It doesn't work because when I start the game, the chick is not touching the egg. So this if condition alone is not sufficient. We'll put a forever loop so that we keep testing whether the chick is touching the egg or not. See, so the chick touches the egg and the game stops. Now to make it more interesting, you can again add a nice backdrop. You can show the game over backdrop. I will just duplicate this, put a nice text, game over. You can also change colors if you don't like this color. Make it big, position it in the center, and then change the name of the backdrop. If touching egg, switch backdrop to over. Let's see what happens. See, the game stops, but when we start the game, it's still showing game over. To fix that, we'll switch the backdrop to the original one. That is found. Let's see now. And here, this is how we completed the game. Hope you enjoyed the process of making a game and also understood how to make a sprite jump. Thank you.